No matter the size of your practice, there's a way to build a break room for your staff. What do you keep in mind to do this? 1. No matter the size, consider durable finishes for easy cleanup that someone just needs to wipe down and it looks awesome. And it's low maintenance in a way that is just clean it and go. Also dedicated lockers and storage for the team, because it comes down to this. If you and your team are rejuvenated and healed by the space, you will do your best work. If you're happy and excited with your space, it changes everything. Your office is the place people go to recharge. And when that's the truth and the office gives people energy and excitement, you can offer a world-class results.